USDCAD. Now we are based on daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, as we can see, even we have a correction here. If we refer back to the last 2-3 weeks when we were analyzing the USDCAD, when the price was somewhere around here, we say we are expecting to get here. We are expecting to get a correction similar to what we have here. As we can see right now, we have it. What's the reason we want to get this correction? The reason is if we get these two correction, now whether we can get this flat, and in that case we are looking for price to drop. Okay, that means when we have this correction similar to what we have here, what we can expect the price to drop based on the daily time frame. Then from there we are expecting for move up. That means this is a trade based on the daily time frame, what we are expecting, what we are looking for. Alright, it doesn't mean the price from here can move up without giving us this. There is a possibility, but this is the option we are looking for, and most probably we can get it. Okay, in that case we can trade, and based on the pattern we have it, we know how to trade it. Alright, now the question is the price when can drop, and whether the price from here will drop, we will get this trade, or still can correct and move higher before drop. Okay, this is the things we need to know. In this case we move to lower time frame and we see how we can trade it. Okay, based on the lower time frame, based on the forward chart, we can see we have a correction here, and we can see this one is break the top. How about the MACD? We have a divergence, but the divergence is already near to the top. That means anytime any sharp move up can break. Okay, anyway, the divergence, it doesn't mean to tell us that we can sell it, just information for us. Alright, now we want to see, do we have any trade set up from here for sell or not? But as we can see here, we don't have a trade set up, and whether for buy or sell. And the thing is, this sharp move make us quite make a bit difficult for us, because rather than that, for the short term we could have entry above this. Okay, right now we cannot, and now we want to see whether the price from here can drop, or before drop still we can get a move up. Alright, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. Okay, also based on the 1 hour chart we don't have much information. That means we don't have the trade set up. The best is we wait and we see the correction become how complex can be, then from there we can make a decision. Alright, if we get the buy setup, all the buy setup is a short term. Alright, and if we get the buy setup, as long as the price came to at least this level, we need to move our stop loss to break even. Okay, now the question is, that's why we need to wait to get the trade setup for buy. Okay, because we are not sure whether price come to this level, from there drop, or still can continue. Anyway, we don't have the trade setup whether for buy or sell, and we need to wait and see how complex can be. Then from there we make a decision. But what we are more interested, in down move, and any buy setup will be short term buy. How about the 15 minutes? No, we don't have any trade setup based on the 15 minutes, and we cannot have entry above this because of this move. And having entry above this is really not a good idea. In this case, we just follow the chart. If we get any trade setup for buy based on for the short term, but what we are more interested in the sell. Thanks.